Can you imagine a hiccup beginning one afternoon and not stopping for the rest of your life? In 1922, Charles Osborne's world turned upside down when a single hiccup refused to end. Days turned into years, and soon he held the world's longest hiccup record, 68 years without relief. Friends marveled, doctors puzzled, and yet, through it all, Charles kept living, working, and laughing. His remarkable endurance reminds us, sometimes the strangest stories belong to real people.